So guys, here we go. We're already in a rush, running a little late, just ate breakfast. We're out of the hotel, all day in. Our truck is right here. We're getting on to get onto the cruise. It's a 2-hour drive from here. And on the way, I'll show you guys what's up. I'll see you guys there. Peace, guys.
Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a very exciting day for you viewers and us. Today is day 5 of our trip, and it's going to be consisting going on a cruise in Kenai Fjords National Park and Preserve, located in Seward. With a 6-hour tour that explores the world of whales, wildlife, and glaciers, which are all found around the waterways of Kenai Fjords National Park, we head towards Seward from Anchorage, which is approximately a 2-hour drive. After reaching the location, we had to catch a 2 to 3 minute bus to reach the port front and check in where our ship was awaiting us.
So this, guys, is Kenai Fjords Glacier Tour on a cruise. We're also going to Fox Island. I don't want to expose too much to you guys, but we're right here at the entrance, right here. And I'm going to show you guys as we go. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, share the video if you haven't already. Follow my Instagram page. And wait for more, guys. I'll show you guys a lot. It's coming up.
After checking into the storefront shown in the previous clip, we waited for the boarding to start in the docks. Enjoying the beautiful glacier-filled mountains and the portside view of Seward was heartwarming and very pleasant to just stand and watch without moving an inch. Observing how the color of the water complements the white cloud-like ships that float on the liquid blue skies was just astonishing to watch. After finally finishing the wait, we onboard the Tenena, welcomed by 2 beautiful girls, but for the general public, the crew. We make our way onto the second level and head to the balcony of the ship and look around for a good spot to be seated. Eventually making our way out to the front of the ship, we are delighted to push back and enjoy the ride. Our journey begins as we sail out of the Seward Harbor, and right off the bat, we started by watching seagulls fly right by us, and as the bald eagle scoops by in a distance. With oohs and ahs, we started our ride. From here, different tours took different directions. As Resurrection Bay opens into the rigid Gulf of Alaska, our exploration into the Kenai Fjords National Park deepens. And a little about our ship, the Kenai Fjords Tours operates the largest day cruise fleet in South Central Alaska. And the ship we were on was an 82-footer catamarans, I believe, from the information gathered from the crew. Designed for wildlife and glacier viewing, a smooth ride, environmental friendliness, and fuel efficiency, the catamarans uses up to 40% less fuel than older vessels, which helps the environment for daily trips. The 9 ships in the fleet hold up to 150 passengers and feature multi-level walk-around viewing decks, spacious heated cabins, large windows, comfortable indoor seating for all guests, and a snack bar. All vessels are also restroom equipped for anyone following my footsteps into this trip. So a little about where we're going. We're actually headed towards Renard, otherwise known as the Fox Island. They get their name from hosting its first fox farm in 1901, established by Alfred and Billy Lowell. Until 1965, the island was used intermittently for fox farming, primarily blue foxes. In 1918, Rockwell Kent arrived in Seward, Alaska, searching for island solitude. Fox Island, in the heart of Resurrection Bay. Our exploration of Kenai Fjords National Park is enhanced by a chance to step off the boat, stroll the beach, and explore on land. This island is rich in its inspiration and character. Once we arrived at Fox Island, we headed into our cozy day lodge for a sumptuous meal of seasonal Alaskan fish, salads, and rolls, which was a delight in our tour. After our meal, we got to stretch our legs on a walk along the flat rock beach of Halibut Cove. We gave stone skipping a try, and these rocks were perfect for it. Sat on some driftwood and enjoyed the deep silence and peace of this place. As the captain calls us back on board, we gazed from the deck fondly at the pristine shores of Fox Island, forever cherishing our memory of our time spent in a small corner of a truly unique Alaska. Finally, after leaving Fox Island, we go deeper into the sea and find ourselves within the exploration of birds, coming across gulls, puffins, cormorants, and etc. Of course, no seascape would be complete without gulls, and Kenai Fjords is no exception. Flocks of black-legged gulls were an exception to watch as the summer helped us view the chicks that hatched that season with 2 rings around their necks. As you will know, if you are a frequent of the wildlife tours, rarely can we guarantee any sightings. However, summer in the Kenai Fjords are a frenzy of puffins, and so we seeked puffins, and that's exactly what we got. We saw them hiding in the ledges of the pillars of rocks. Nonetheless, we saw more birds along the way, like the thick-billed muries orcas, who can dive up to 700 feet, and so on. After cruising around when things were just getting a little boring, the captain decides to spice things up and call in everyone to see orcas, otherwise known with their furious name, the killer whales. Me running from one side of the vessel to another, finding myself searching for these beautiful creatures, and eventually, when the orcas do come past their camera shyness, we get to witness the 8,000-pound swimming Oreos in action.
Right here, 2 o'clock, just under the surface. See him under there?
2 o'clock. Right around here somewhere. Yes! We got it! Wow! Oh! Gosh. Whew.
Oh, look at this.
After witnessing the orcas, the captain bring us to show us the stellar sea lions, harbor seals, and sea otters, which was quite a sight as a 6 to 8 feet endangered stellar sea lion lives in a large colony versus the harbor seals witnessed in the tour, which were widespread throughout most of the coastal waters in the northern latitude. It was really cute watching them resting on the rocks displayed in the video, along with their small mammal friend, the otter, as they spend most of their day playful and feeding in the Pacific Ocean. And an interesting fact, otters have no blubber at all. They instead have the most densest fur of any mammal. After that, we get really lucky enough to see a humpback whale. A secret that the crew told me was that for the past month, no whales were spotted, but the one day we decided to go was the first day in that month for anyone to see a humpback whale. Will we call this fate or luck? No one knows.
So guys, we just got fresh chocolate chip cookies out here that they provided. It's so freshly baked, it's so good. I'm at the end of the boat right now. We're going back home. We just took some photo shoots. We had a blast here. I would recommend this 100% to anyone who comes to Alaska. But yeah, we're at the end of the boat. We're almost done, guys. Enjoying my cookie. So I'll see you guys when it ends. So this is the crew members on the ship here. They took care of us here. They are really the people who are looking out for the whales, the orcas, and where really things are showing up. And that's how we find out. These people tell the captain and they tell us. So what's your name, guys?
Hillary.
Amanda. So I just want to show my appreciation to these guys. These guys are amazing. It's because of these guys that we get to see amazing mammals and enjoy our cruise here. So I really want to show my appreciation. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yep. Take care.
Finally coming to our 6-hour end and making our way back to the port of Seward, Alaska, something I felt I had to say was from all aspects from this tour to adventure and value, we loved it. This is the only local company running cruises out of Seward, and their incredibly knowledgeable and friendly captain and crew were just awesome. We had a chance of seeing a humpback whale, 2 pods of orcas, sea lions, 2 types of puffins, double-breasted cormorants, bald eagle, sea otters, and a nesting of seagulls. We had a blast and would definitely do this again. Thank you to the whole crew for giving us a once-in-a-lifetime experience in Alaska. But other than that, guys, this video is not over yet. We do have a part 2 coming for this video because the video was just too long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2, guys. Peace.